I am iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this video is about my battery performance. Let me get the size out of the way. The size of the battery inside of me is 3687 milliamp hours. Because of the A14 chip powering everything inside of me, you'd be surprised at how well my battery performs throughout the day. Actually, you know what? Why don't you see for yourself? Here's a typical day in the life from my perspective as the iPhone 12 Pro Max. Let's get started. So I usually wake up before 8 and present the time and notifications. And before I get started, I just want to point out that after a few months of usage, I am still at a healthy 100% of battery health. I proceed by staying in standby mode while Naman does some exercise. After some time, he'll get a bit bored and watch a few videos on YouTube while exercising. Feeling a bit nostalgic, today he'll watch Casey Neistat's old vlogs. After finishing his exercise, I'll go back into standby mode and into the pocket. And a few moments later, once again watching YouTube while brushing teeth. After that, I'll go back into standby mode while Naman goes to take a shower. A little battery update. I am still at 100% and the time is 9:03 a.m., which is a little bit over an hour from when I got off charging. More YouTube while applying aftershave. Sure watches a lot of YouTube, huh? Then, while going down for breakfast, I am once again in standby mode, quickly checking stocks in between. Another battery update an hour and a half later, we lost 1%. And then Naman may listen to music on Spotify on the Echo Dot over Wi-Fi while finally doing his bed. And I am a phone after all, so Naman attends a phone call with one of his friends. Battery update time, we are at 91% with a little over an hour of screen on usage. And then we go out to a beautiful, non-public area, maybe take a few photos and videos. Speaking of which, if you want to see how my camera performs, a link of a video that Naman made of my cameras is in the description down below and in the top right corner. After this video, check it out. Anyway, moving on, we are using Google Maps to navigate somewhere else, which uses all kinds of signals and power. Coming back home and just casually scrolling through Instagram and passing the time, nothing too power consuming. And again on standby mode while Naman eats cereal and watches Brooklyn Nine-Nine. I am currently at 60% at 11:23 p.m. with just under 3 hours of screen on usage, and now ending the day and being put on charge 2 minutes later at 11:25 p.m. So that's what a typical day looks like. Wait, okay, what is this? Much better. Okay, as I was saying, that's what a typical day looks like. Very light usage, and I could probably keep going until the next day if need be. My screen on usage totaled 3 hours and 2 minutes, and I used quite a few apps, notably Instagram, YouTube, Spotify, Messages, Google Maps, and Snapchat, which were the apps I used the most that day. If I am being used more, which I am some days, my screen on usage can turn out to be almost 11 hours. Lots of content consumption on Netflix, YouTube, and Instagram, communication on Messages, and some scrolling on Reddit. But mostly, I am typically used lightly, giving around 3 to 5 hours of screen on usage. So that's me. I am iPhone 12 Pro Max, and this video is about my battery performance. If you enjoyed this type of point of view video about me in first person, leave a like and share it with your friends and family. Also, hit the subscribe button if you want to see more first-person POV type videos on different aspects of myself, such as performance, design, and iOS. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye!